How to remove duplicates in Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you a quick and easy step to remove duplicates in Microsoft Excel. So first you're going to click data, and here you need to select the column that has the duplicate. You're going to click remove duplicate, and now we're going to click OK. So we'll say one duplicate value is found and remove 6 ununique values remain. So it said one duplicate value is found and removed. 6 unique values remain. Note that counts may include empty cell, space, etc. So you can click OK. You can try to duplicate it again. So there's a duplicate here, another duplicate. So you need to try it to find the duplicate again. So I always select OK. So one duplicate values found and removed. So let's try again to duplicate. So let's duplicate this, duplicate that. So as you can see, it removed duplicates. So that's pretty much simple, easy way to remove duplicates on Microsoft Excel. Thank you.